Guys, come here. Here's what I heard. Autotrophs are organisms that produce their own food. They do that using light, water, carbon dioxide, or other chemicals. I've even heard some people call them producers. Also, you wouldn't believe this. Plants aren't the only autotrophs. There's also algae, phytoplankton, and some bacteria. Most of them use the process of photosynthesis to make their own food. But get this. In photosynthesis, mesophyll is actually the tissue of the leaf that contains the chloroplast.
What?
They allow carbon dioxide to go wherever and move freely. Crazy. But stomata are the tiny openings of the epidermis of leaves that help and regulate the rate of gas exchange.
Well, guys, y'all need to listen to this. I heard that chloroplasts are where photosynthesis takes place. They contain these thylakoid thingies. They're small shaped discs stacked on each other, and these thylakoids contain the almighty chlorophyll, a green pigment that absorbs sunlight. Some people even drink it.
Oh!
Only as an added supplement to their water, but still, it's literally so gross. Only the surrounding space around the thylakoids contains a fluid called the stroma, which fills up the space with chloroplast.
So here's what I heard. Some reactants, carbon dioxide and water, went together with sunlight, and they formed this bond thing, and they ended up changing with a product called glucose and oxygen. Like, how crazy is that? I didn't even know they could each other like that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And then the light-dependent reactions use light energy molecules to make two new molecules. Those two were used for ATP, and the NADH, which was a reduced electron carrier, and all of this happened in the thylakoid membranes of the organelles, which are called the
Oh
chloroplasts.
my god! I literally knew about the thylakoid.
So, all I can think about is like, photosystems are just complexes of protein and pigment used to harvest light. You would think that photosystem 1 would come first, but no, photosystem 2. Photosystem 2 is when light is absorbed in the pigment. That energy is then passed from pigment to pigment until getting to the reaction center. This energy
Passed around, man.
This energy then transfers and ends up boosting an electron to a higher level. This electron is then passed again to an acceptor molecule and then gets replaced by an electron from water. This split causes oxygen to be released.
Okay, but guys, it doesn't stop there. Listen to this. The electron that then travels down the electron transport chain and passes through ATP synthase, driving ATP. Now the electron gets to PS1 and gets together with chlorophyll in the reaction. They were actually missing an electron at this point, but it got replaced by a new electron from the electron transport chain from PS2. Yeah. This electron then gets passed again to NADH and creates NADPH. All this conversion of light energy to chemical energy is what fuels the Calvin cycle, which has 3 steps.
So, in the Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide enters the leaf through the stomata and then diffuses into the stroma. This carbon dioxide is fixed and is then used to make 3 carbon sugars. The first of the 3 steps is carbon dioxide combines with RUBP to make a 6-carbon molecule that splits into 2 3-phosphoglycerine acids. Next, ATP and NADPH are used to convert this molecule into the 3-carbon sugar G3P. These G3P are used for either glucose production or recycled to regenerate the RUBP acceptor. And it actually takes 3 of these cycles to 3 to make 1 G3P.
Oh my gosh. That was a little bit much, guys.
Yeah, I don't know if I can handle that much information in one sitting.
Should we get back to biology?
I think so.
I guess so.